Understanding To Come Up Roses, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and optimistic English idiom, to come up roses. This phrase paints a vivid picture and carries a positive meaning, which we'll explore in detail. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding idioms like this can really enrich your English skills. Let's get started. At first glance, the phrase, to come up roses, might conjure images of a garden blooming with roses. In English, this idiom is used to describe a situation that has turned out very well or successfully, especially when it seemed unlikely. It's often used to express relief or happiness about the positive outcome of an event. For example, if someone says, despite the initial problems, the project came up roses in the end, they mean that despite early issues, the project ended successfully. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, to come up roses, is believed to have originated in the United States in the early 20th century. It's likely linked to the idea of a garden or a field unexpectedly blooming with roses, signifying a pleasant and surprising turn of events. Now, let's talk about using this idiom in conversation and writing. To come up roses is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences to business outcomes. In personal contexts, I was worried about my exams, but everything came up roses. In professional settings, the team faced many challenges, but our hard work came up roses when we secured the contract. Remember, it's a positive expression, so it's best used in contexts where things have turned out well. When learning idioms, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a couple of common ones to avoid with, to come up roses. Don't use it in negative contexts. It's not appropriate for situations that have ended poorly. Avoid overusing it. Like all idioms, it's best used sparingly and in the right context. That's a wrap on, to come up roses. We hope this video has shed light on this charming idiom, enhancing your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Keep practicing, and soon, your language learning journey will come up roses too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language insights. See you in the next video.